CMD-C.app AI is one of the best just released AI software tools. And if you're searching for the 7 crucial things you need to know about it, stick around because in this video, I'm going to break down everything from its unique features to its potential benefits, all while keeping it straight to the point so you can make an informed decision. Now, what makes CMD-C.app different? This tool has rapidly gained attention in the AI space, and it promises to streamline your digital tasks like never before. If you're someone who wants to save time and boost productivity, you'll definitely want to know what this software brings to the table. First up, let's talk about its user interface. CMD-C.app is designed to be incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can easily navigate through the platform. Everything is clean and organized, so you won't waste time figuring out how to use it. It's a perfect fit for those who want to jump right in and start using it without a steep learning curve. Another big highlight is its advanced automation features. CMD-C.app can help you automate repetitive tasks, saving you hours of work each week. Whether you're looking to manage content, emails, or even customer data, this software offers a range of automated processes that work seamlessly in the background, giving you more time to focus on strategy and creativity. The automation is customizable too, so you can tailor it to fit your needs. What sets CMD-C.app apart from similar AI tools is its integration capabilities. It works well with a wide range of platforms, whether you're using CRM software, email marketing tools, or even social media management apps. The integration is smooth and reliable, meaning no more jumping between platforms to get your work done. Another feature I love is its robust analytics system. The AI-powered insights that CMD-C app provides are fantastic for anyone who needs detailed performance reports. You can quickly access data on key metrics and trends, which can significantly improve decision-making in your business operations. The reports are easy to understand, even if you're not a data expert. Security is another area where CMD-C.app excels. With data protection being a top priority for businesses today, you'll be pleased to know that this software uses strong encryption methods to keep your information safe. It's fully compliant with industry standards, so you won't have to worry about your sensitive data being compromised. One of the things that impressed me most about CMD-C.app is how responsive its customer support is. You can reach out through multiple channels, and their support team is fast, knowledgeable, and always ready to help you get the most out of the software. This level of customer care is essential when you're working with new tools and technologies. Finally, it's important to mention that CMD-C.app is available for a completely free trial, which means you can try out all these features without spending a dime. Just click the first link in the description below to get started. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to see how it works for your business and whether it's a good fit for your needs. To wrap up, CMD-C.app AI is definitely a game changer for those looking to automate tasks and make smarter decisions with the power of AI. It has everything you need to boost productivity, enhance data insights, and integrate seamlessly with other tools you're already using. If you're on the fence, give it a try. Don't forget, you can access a free trial through the first link below. And if you're interested in discovering even more AI tools that I've personally tested and recommend, check out the full list in the description below. Trust me, after trying thousands of AI software solutions, these are the ones I stand by. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching.